Today's problem is convert Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature using C programming. So first of all we need to go online C compiler. Then first of all we declare the variable. Here variable is Fahrenheit. For Fahrenheit we write F and it is floating type variable. So float F. Then we need to input from the user. So we send a message to user with printf function. So we write printf enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Then user will input by scanf function. Here Fahrenheit is floating type variable, so user type. So we write scanf %f %f. Here variable is f. Then we know for Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, Celsius C equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is the formula for Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature conversion. So we write this formula. Here C is Celsius temperature and it is also another variable. So first of all we need to declare C also. So we declare this variable. Then we write this formula. C equal F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Then we print the result. Here we write printf temperature in Celsius is %f. Here variable is C. So F represents C. The value of F will assign to C. Then we show the result. Here we write Fahrenheit temperature 98.4. Then the temperature Celsius is 36.8.